Hey, today's video we're going to talk about how to adjust your bunk trailer to your boat with your boat on the trailer. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to lower the tongue of your boat trailer as far to the ground as you can get it. And then you're going to take some blocks, better blocks than this I hope, and you're going to block it. Next you're going to raise the tongue as high as it'll go. Crank that thing all the way up. And then block it again. So now your boat has two blocks, one fore, one aft. Now you can slightly lower your landing gear, and I'm using my tractor for this experiment. Lower it a little bit, but not very much, and keep your boat hooked to the trailer, secured. So now the boat is just going to favor to one side, one bunk that's already okay for now, and you can help it with a jack and a block. Now the boat's just going to tilt to the left slightly, and my bunk is free. So now I'm just going to loosen the bottom rusty bolt and replace it. And same with the one up here, right there. And then I'm just going to bring the bunk over, tighten it back up, and then I can set the boat down. So it's that easy, very simple. Always stay out of the bite and stay safe. Thanks for watching.